So over here, you can see that I am in a meeting right here with two participants. So over here, let's say, for example, if you want to actually control out the participants, then you can actually go ahead and then mute out their mic as well. So you can actually control them out as long as you are the host. You can also actually go around over here and then assign them to be an organizer right here so that they have the same privilege as you. You can also assign as a presenter right here, just like this. And you can also allow video right here or disable out video and disable out chat as well. So you can simply go ahead and select out what permissions they have. You can go ahead and select out whatever you want. So apart from that, let's say, for example, you're sharing out their screen. So let's say I have my screen right here. Let me share my screen out right here. So you can see that this is what I have now. I can see my screen right here, just like this. And now let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show this out. So let's just show this. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and see my participants. You can see your participants right here, and then you got the other participant, as you can see right here, just like this. And then you will be able to go ahead and see, like, let's say, for example, their permissions, and you can go ahead and allow pointing right here. So you can go ahead and allow them to point right here and so forth, and then work around with it. So you can go around over here and allow them to chat from here or remove out them from presentation as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can even go ahead and select out the application that you want to share individually as you want as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and that is how you can manage out participants and then even share out your screen right here and control them out as you want in your meeting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe